Hello and welcome to another episode of Current Affairs MCQ. Let's begin with previous day question. Consider the following statements. Primary waves are the fastest seismic waves, resembling sound waves that travel through gases, liquids and solids and are the first to reach the surface. Love waves are horizontal waves with sideways motion and have no vertical displacement. Rayleigh waves are seismic waves that cause elliptical ground motion, spread out the most and move vertically and horizontally in a vertical plane. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer is option C. Primary waves are the fastest seismic waves, resembling sound waves that travel through gases, liquids and solids and are the first to reach the surface. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Long waves are horizontal waves with sideways motion faster than Rayleigh waves and have no vertical displacement. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Rayleigh waves are seismic waves that cause elliptical ground motion, spread out the most and move vertically and horizontally in a vertical plane. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with today's session. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Soft corals are species that do not produce the massive calcium carbonate skeletons needed to form coral reefs. Statement 2. Corals are vertebrates from the class Anthozoa, phylum Cnidaria. Which one of the following is correct in respect of the above statements? Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct and statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. The correct answer is option C. Soft corals are species that do not produce the massive calcium carbonate skeletons needed to form coral reefs. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Only hard corals make reefs. Corals are invertebrates from the class Anthozoa, phylum Cnidaria. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Reefs are formed by colonies of polyps that secrete limestone's skeletons and rely on symbiotic algae zooxanthellae for nutrition. The world's first cryo-born baby corals have been successfully introduced into the Great Barrier Reef, marking a groundbreaking achievement in coral restoration and conservation. Australian scientists used cutting-edge cryopreservation to fertilize coral eggs with cryopreserved sperm collected from the Great Barrier Reef. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, regarding the Henley Passport Index 2025, consider the following statements. The Henley Passport Index ranks 199 global passports based on the number of destinations their holders can travel to without a visa. India's passport for the first time ranked in second position just behind the United States. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option A. The Henley Passport Index ranks 199 global passports, covers 227 travel destinations based on the number of destinations their holders can travel to without a visa with data sourced from the International Air Transport Association. Hence, statement 1 is correct. It is compiled and published by Henley and Partners, a global citizenship and residence advisory firm. In the latest Henley Passport Index 2025, India's rank has dropped to 85th, down from 80th in 2024, giving its holders visa-free access to 57 countries. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. India's ranking showed fluctuations over the years, with its highest being 71st in 2006 and lowest 90th in 2021 due to COVID-19 restrictions. Top rankings: Singapore 195 destination leads, followed by Japan 193. Several EU countries and South Korea share third place, 192 destinations. Falling ranking: the US 2nd to 9th, the UK 1st to 5th. Bottom countries: Pakistan and Yemen shared the 103rd position, followed by Iraq, Syria and Afghanistan. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, the Kaka-Kalelkar Commission and IDATE Commission, sometimes in the news, are related to which of the following? Water resource management and interstate disputes, forest conservation and afforestation programs, minimum support price reforms, or in identification and welfare of backward classes and tribes. The correct answer is option D. The first Backward Class Commission, chaired by Shri Kaka Kalelkar, was established by a presidential order under Article 340 of the Indian Constitution on January 29, 1953. The commission, commonly referred to as the Kaka Kalelkar Commission, submitted its report on March 30, 1955. The IDATE Commission, set up in 2014 under the leadership of Bhikhu Ramji IDATE, was tasked with compiling a comprehensive list of denotified nomadic and semi-nomadic tribes. Its mandate was to identify individuals who were excluded from the categories of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes, and to recommend welfare measures for their upliftment. Hence, option D is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements related to pink fire retardant. It is made from potassium phosphate-based slurry. It is applied ahead of a fire to coat vegetation, prevailing oxygen from fueling combustion. It releases harmful metals such as chromium and cadmium. How many of the above statements are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer is option B. Pink fire retardant is a chemical mix used to slow or extinguish wildfires. It primarily contains ammonium phosphate-based slurry, hence statement 1 is not correct. A commonly used fire retardant in the US is Phosgene. It is sprayed ahead of fire that coats vegetation to prevent oxygen from aiding combustion, hence statement 2 is correct. Pink is chosen because it is highly visible, helping firefighters target fire lines more effectively. It also includes thickening agents to enhance its stickiness and prevent drift during aerial application. Additionally, pink fire retardant releases harmful metals including chromium and cadmium, which can have environmental and health implications. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements. Hindi is recognized as the national language of India under Article 343 of the Constitution. World Hindi Day is celebrated annually on 10th January to expand Hindi's presence on the international stage. World Hindi Day commemorates the historic moment in 1949 when Hindi was first spoken at the United Nations General Assembly. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer is option B. Hindi is recognized as the official language of India under Article 343 of the Constitution alongside English for official purposes. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. World Hindi Day is celebrated annually on 10th January to expand Hindi's presence on the international stage. Hence, statement 2 is correct. World Hindi Day commemorates the historic moment in 1949 when Hindi was first spoken at the United Nations General Assembly. Hence, statement 3 is correct. The theme for World Hindi Day 2025 is a global voice of unity and cultural pride, focusing on promoting linguistic exchange and fostering cultural pride through Hindi. In 1975, the first World Hindi Conference was inaugurated by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, marking an important step towards global recognition of Hindi. World Hindi Day, designated on 10th January 2006, is different from Hindi Divas, celebrated on 14th September, as Hindi Divas marks the adoption of Hindi as one of India's official languages in 1949. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, plasticizers, often seen in the news, is best described as a group of additives used to enhance the flexibility, durability, and workability of materials like plastics. Synthetic materials used exclusively in the production of heat-resistant and fire-proof polymers. Compounds that act as catalyst in industrial chemical reaction to speed up the process of polymerization. Natural organic substances used to make biodegradable plastics more environmental friendly. The correct answer is option A. IIT Roorkee has successfully used the esterase enzyme produced by the soil bacterium Sulfobacillus acidophilus to break down the plasticizer diethyl hexyl phthalate. This advancement addresses the growing environmental and health concerns posed by plasticizers. Plasticizers are additives used to make rigid plastics like PVC more flexible and softer by reducing intermolecular forces within the polymer chains. This is particularly relevant to plastic products requiring durability and flexibility such as cables, hoses, and films. They are carcinogenic, posing health risks through skin absorption or ingestion. As persistent organic pollutants, they contaminate water and soil, harming ecosystems and aquatic life. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following pairs. Naval Ship Project, Nilgiri Project 15B, Surat Project 17A, Vakshir Project 75. How many of the above pairs are correctly matched? Only one, only two, all three, none. The correct answer is option A. The Indian Navy marked a significant milestone on 15th January 2025 with the commissioning of Nilgiri, Surat and Vakshir, all constructed as the Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, Mumbai. Nilgiri, the lead ship of Project 17A, is a cutting-edge frigate that incorporates advanced stealth technology and sophisticated weapon systems, making it a formidable asset in naval defense. Hence, pair 1 is not correctly matched. Surat, part of Project 15B, is the fourth and final destroyer in this series. It serves as an enhanced version of the Kolkata-class destroyers equipped with long-range missiles and indigenous weapon systems. Hence, pair 2 is not correctly matched. Vakshir, the sixth submarine of the Scorpion class under Project 75, is one of the quickest diesel-electric submarines globally. Its versatility allows it to engage in anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare as well as surveillance and special operations. Hence, pair 3 is correctly matched. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next, consider the following characteristics. He displayed decisive leadership during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. His legacy includes the famous slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. He played a key role in the Tashkent Declaration. Which of the following personalities is best described from above characteristics? Morarji Desai, Gulzari Lal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri or Indira Gandhi? The correct answer is option C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughalsarai near Varanasi, was a pivotal figure in India's freedom struggle, profoundly influenced by Mahatma Gandhi's principles. Known for his integrity, humility and dedication, Shastri held various significant ministerial roles, including Home Minister, Railway Minister and Commerce and Industry Minister. Notably, he demonstrated moral accountability by resigning twice as Railway Minister following major train accidents. As Prime Minister, Shastri showcased exemplary leadership during the 1965 Indo-Pak War, authorizing decisive military action to defend Kashmir. He is remembered for his iconic slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, highlighting the pivotal role of soldiers and farmers in India's development. He played a key role in the Tashkent Declaration. Tragically, Shastri passed away on 11th January 1966 in Tashkent, shortly after signing the Tashkent Declaration. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Next, with reference to the Mayotte Island, consider the following statements. It consists of two islands of the Comoros archipelago, with the main island being Pamandzi and the smaller island Mayotte. It is the poorest territory in both France and the European Union. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B. Mayotte consists of two islands of the Comoros archipelago, with the main island called Mayotte or Grand Terre and the smaller island Pamandzi. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. It is the poorest territory in both France and the European Union. Hence, statement 2 is correct. France colonized Mayotte in 1843 and annexed the whole archipelago including Comoros in 1904. In a 1974 referendum, 95% backed separation but 63% of Mayotte voted to stay France. Grand Comoro, Anjouan and Moheli declared independence in 1975. Mayotte is still ruled from Paris. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Next, consider the following statements. It is a narrow stretch of land referred to as the chicken neck due to its narrow shape. It is located between Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. It is the only land link between India and its northeastern states. Which of the following locations best matches the above description? Malda Corridor, Siliguri Corridor, Khyber Pass or Karakoram Pass? The correct answer is option B. The Siliguri Corridor is a narrow stretch of land approximately 60 km long and 17 to 22 km wide. It is referred to as the chicken neck due to its narrow shape. Located between Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh, it is the only land link between India and its northeastern states. It plays a vital role in military logistics, offering key routes for road and railway networks that facilitate the movement of armed forces. Non-access to the Siliguri Corridor would isolate India's northeastern region, severing supply lines and reinforcement. Hence, option B is the correct answer. Now it's time for the practice question. Regarding the Kumbh Mela, consider the following statements. The Kumbh Mela is celebrated 4 times over the course of 12 years. Harshvardhana, king of the Pushyabhuti dynasty, started the organization of the Kumbh fair at Prayagraj. Akbar promoted religious tolerance and granted Naga sadhus the honor of leading the royal entry to the Mela in 1565. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.